To solve this exponential expression using log, your first and foremost step is to isolate the exponential term on one side and keep the constant on one side. Now our exponential term here is 2 exponent x minus 7. And you realize that there is 3 in front of that, okay? 3 is being multiplied by that whole term. And we don't need that, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. That's the first step. Just to get 2 exponent x minus 7 to stand on its own. Now, after you've done that, you're going to take log on both sides of the equation. All right. And with the basic rule of log, if you take log of an exponential term, the exponent will drop down and you end up with log 2. So x minus 7 will drop down times log of 2, and you have your log of 433. Now at this point, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by log of 2. So we have x minus 7 equals log of 33 divided by log of 2. And to solve for x, you have to add 7 on both sides of the equation. So you have log of 33 divided by log of 2 and plus your 7. So you have to compute this part first. Divide log of 33 by log of 2. Whatever result that you get, you'd add it towards 7. If you do this correctly, this should come out as 12.044 if you leave it to 3 decimal places. So your x is 12.044. Now, if you want to be sure if this is a correct answer, you can plug in this value, okay, this x value in the original equation. Okay, this original equation. Wherever you see x, you plug in 12.044 and you realize that you're going to have the same number on both sides of what they equal to. You're going to have 99 on both sides of the equal to sign, and that should tell you your answer is right.